Consumer electronics is best enjoyed when development in hardware keeps pace with the progress in software. Thankfully, in most cases, we have been lucky that hardware and software have grown in tandem, but this is not always the case, with the Windows 10 operating system being a case in point. The excellent touchscreen functionality offered by this new operating system is not made full use of in most laptop computers available these days, and if you are particularly keen on using this feature, it becomes imperative to choose a laptop built to exploit it in the best manner possible. The Dell laptop we are featuring today is one of the better options to let you do that.
Here we go!
The highlight of Dell's Inspiron 15 5000 laptop is its 15.6-inch Full HD LED backlit display with full touchscreen capability. The 10-finger multi-touch support offered by this screen is perfect for working on the Windows 10 operating system, letting you transition seamlessly between mouse-oriented and touchscreen-optimized interfaces. Equipped with Intel HD graphics 520 with shared graphics memory and the True Life feature, this 1920 by 1080 display is also perfect for all your video and gaming needs. This compact silver-colored 15 by 10.2 by 0.9 inches laptop also packs in a number of other attractive features. These include a backlit keyboard, a precision touchpad, an Intel RealSense 3D camera, Waves Max Audio Pro, a DVD drive, and an SD card reader. The audio quality matches the stellar display features to make this a really impressive entertainment device. A feature-packed operating system requires a powerful system to work efficiently, and the Inspiron 15 5000 delivers on this front too. A super strong 6th generation Intel Core i5-6200U dual-core processor with 2.3 GHz frequency and max boost speed of 2.8 GHz is aided by an 8 GB DDR3L 1600 MHz RAM and a 1 TB 5400 RPM HDD to give you incredible processing speed and memory space. A 4-cell lithium-ion battery in turn gives the laptop enough stamina to keep running for hours while handling multiple applications simultaneously. No computer works in isolation these days, and to help you with fast data transfer across machines, the laptop also comes with Superfast 802.11 AC/A/B/G/N Miracast-enabled wireless, the latest Bluetooth 4.0, one USB 3.0 port, two USB 2.0 ports, and one HDMI port. So while the USP of the Inspiron 15 5000 might be its best-in-class touchscreen, there's a lot else to love too in this premium laptop from Dell. Let's see if all this promise is matched by positive reviews. It has earned an average score of 3.8 on 5 stars from close to 400 user reviews, with generally favorable feedback. Some users seem to have faced minor issues with the hardware, but the ever-reliable Dell after-sales service has earned praise for providing quick remedy. Most users, though, seem to be very impressed with the features this laptop offers at its very competitive price point. That's all we have on the Dell Inspiron 15 5000 15.6-inch touchscreen laptop for now. Check out the description below for links to some of the lowest prices on the web for this gadget. Looking for something else? Take a look at our other laptop reviews here on Next Tech Review. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button.